Welcome back to Craft Ninja. Today we're going to do a super awesome project. We are going to make some hanging shelves, totally DIY, and we're using this corner to do this. How absolutely amazing. Let's get started. Everything you'll need will be linked in the description box, and some items are optional. I figured I should start with the rings that will support the ropes. I couldn't find any craft rings, so I decided to make my own. I'm using general purpose galvanized wire in the size 1.25 millimeters. I couldn't find my pliers, so I'm just using a pair of scissors and some hot friction to cut the wire. Next, I decided to cover the rings with some twine to give it a neater look. I'm also using my glue gun to keep the rope secure. And there you have it. I made 3 rings because I will be making 3 shelves. I got these planks pre-cut and molded in the sizes that I wanted. I sanded all the pieces down to give them a smooth finish. Next, I marked exactly where I was going to drill my holes. I went with 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter on each corner, and I repeated the step for all the planks. They should look like this. Let's go outside and drill some holes. I decided to use the planks as pedestals and my body weight to have a firm and sturdy hold. Please be careful when operating machinery. If you don't have a drill, you can ask your local carpenter, a wood shop, or anyone you know with a drill to assist you. I added wood stain to the planks, which is a step I really regret doing because I ended up painting my shelves white. I cut 4 long pieces of twine per plank. Now we're going to tie the ropes to the rings we made earlier. Add 2 ropes per hole. We now are going to add knots to the bottom of each plank. Hang your shelf on the wall and adjust the knots on the wall until you get them as straight as possible. Then cut excess rope. Voila! Now add whatever you'd like to place on your shelves. I went with some awesome faux plants. You guys know how much I love faux plants. I also added some miniature candles. Let me know in the comments below if you will be trying this and what you would like to see next. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you soon.